Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. 6. NextGen will replace radio communications with A. Data exchange, B. Video conferencing, C. Radio frequency, D. All of the above 7. True or false? Geofencing utilizes laser barriers to create boundaries around drone operating areas. 8. In what way can noise pollution from aircraft negatively impact human health and behavior? Select all that apply. A. Hearing loss, B. Sleep deprivation. Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.